to a waterfall not too many people know about. Hey everyone, we're at Switzer Falls and we're going beyond today. Heidi and I have been to Switzer Falls like 3 times and never made a video. But this time, after the storms, it transformed. I've never seen it look like this. So today we're going to focus on the nature and show you how to get to all the falls. Many people know about the lower falls. They get a glimpse of the upper falls, but few people realize how to get above it, at the base of it, and at the lower part of the upper falls. And today I'm going to show you all 3 routes so you can see every angle of this beautiful waterfall. If you subscribe to HikeBytes, just know this: every video description has driving directions to the trailhead and navigation if you have all trails. I took a walk on this log and then we thought maybe this is a good thumbnail. Let's do it. So Brian decided to take photos of us. We got on the log and you won't believe it, I had a painful fall. You know, it just goes to show you things catch you off guard. Ouch. This is the price we paid for a thumbnail. That hurt. Ow. That feel good? After that suffering, we didn't even use the thumbnail. But we found a better one at that epic fall that's coming up shortly. Can't wait to show you. You never know when an accident's gonna happen. So be alert and don't be careless, especially for a selfie or, you know, just taking your attention off for a minute. It does make a difference. Let's all be alert. Right now, this is Switzer Falls at peak season. We got emerald pools, crystal clear snowmelt, and waterfalls raging and roaring through these canyons. Waterfall season is on, and if you go right now just about anywhere in SoCal, you're gonna get it good. Okay, for those who want to find out how to get to these hidden falls that few people know about, it's time. Let me show you the junctions and pay attention. There's 3 routes there. If you head this way, you can see the upper part of the Switzer Falls. If you go across and head here, you can see the lower part and the lower pool. And I'm going to show you both. Once you pass that sign where Heidi and Brian are, I'll flip around for you. You're going to continue down this trail and you're going to see an uphill climb. And that's where it's going to start to get a little sketchy. But I think an average rock climber can handle it. Maybe 2 and 3 class rock scrambling.
You go first.
I'm going. All right, we're headed towards, I believe, a route to a waterfall not too many people know about. I'm going to make sure. Oh yeah, that's it. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is it. Awesome. Oh. All right, Heidi's going down the hill and then we're going to flip around and we're going to go back up the hill. But this is it right up here. It's a little bit of a climb, but I think it's totally doable, but to each his own. You know, if you feel unsafe at heights, I wouldn't come up. But this is the route. I can hear the waterfall. Ooh. But I'm gonna go down and overlook on the cliff right here and get you a view of the fall. So here's the route to the upper view of the fall. I'm going to show you the second route down to that beautiful pool right there and actually put the camera underwater and finally at the base of the fall. I'm going to show you how to get to the base of this fall, but it takes going to lower falls, climbing above it, and backtracking through the canyon with some of the most scenic creek views I have ever seen. I can't wait to show you guys. Just so you know, the trail has a fork, but this is the entry point to get a look at that raging fall that I showed you from above.
Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, keep going. You're not going to believe what we're going to see. You go right up there. We're going to go up here and give you a view. It should seem obvious, but I want to say it. You enter here at your own risk. It is sketchy. It is a class 3 rock scramble. You do not need ropes, but be very careful up here. If your shoes are wet, just know that these rocks are polished. Every step matters. Make sure you have 3 points of contact if you can. I'm holding a camera, not the safest thing actually, but I have been doing this for a while and I felt comfortable. I'm going to take you down to the beautiful pool down here. It was a pale emerald green and it was so clean and pure. The water was cold, but it felt so refreshing. Notice there's a trail sign there that leads you to the falls that I showed you. This trail leads you to the big fall that everyone takes, videos and photos of. Kind of a classic, but very few people go down here and look at that other fall. So I wanted to show you guys. All right, we're gonna head up the other falls. Let's do it. Look at this trail right here. Is this unbelievable? I think this season, right after the rain, has transformed Switzer Falls into something I couldn't have imagined. I've been here before, and the water was not this beautiful and full. I'm really enjoying it this time.
Gosh, this looks amazing.
Oh, God. Let me give you a close-up of this.
It doesn't feel like SoCal.
No. Feels so majestic today. God, I can't get over these views. I'm pointing to where you can view the waterfall from this cliff edge, and it's quite a good view. The best views start around where this pole is. So here's an important junction. If you go up, that's going to lead you out of the Switzer Falls area. You want to head down. This is your first look at Lower Switzer Falls. So if you want to go to Bear Canyon, this is the route. There's also a trail on the other side there. and I think it leads to Royal Pools, but this is the way to Switzer. So this is the final approach to Lower Switzer Falls. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Looks like the trail is on the other side of the creek. I feel like Switzer has been a totally new experience on this hike. It doesn't even feel like the same place. So we're going to check the upper pools at Switzer, but honestly I'm coming back to head towards Bear Canyon. And what a beautiful pool along this rock wall. Brave soul. Just to the right of Lower Switzer Falls is a definite trail leading you up this hill. Look for a dead tree, hug it all the way to the upper pool, and you'll have to make your way down. There is rope there to assist you as well. You can cool off if you like in this upper pool and waterfall. It's really refreshing. These upper pools at Lower Switzer Falls were beautiful, and the scenery, well, you can see for yourself. As I continue deeper into this canyon, it just gets more and more majestic. Come with me and I'll take you on the full journey. The journey from the upper pools to the base of that Upper Switzer Fall takes about 15 to 20 minutes. There is a path behind Switzer Fall. Beautiful pools back here. Oh man. Gorgeous pool. Look at that. Oh. Summertime. Oh, like quicksand. Whoa. I went down about 6 inches. Look at that. At this point, I actually do not realize that the base of Upper Switzer Falls is at the end of this canyon. So I'm just having fun exploring. Oh, it keeps getting better and better. I love this kind of exploration, guys. Behind the falls at Switzer Falls is gorgeous. Highly recommend it. It is rough terrain. I'm going to keep going until I feel like I've seen the best that it has to offer. All right. Beautiful. Oh yeah. We'll see what's around this corner and call it quits. Oh yeah! How beautiful is this? That little extra quarter mile. Oh my god, a waterfall! I had no idea! Are you kidding me? Oh, that's the bottom of the fall from the top! Oh yeah, I'm gonna capture that. It's a little chilly because there's no sun, but can't wait to check it out. Are you kidding me? Whoa! Oh, the power! Oh! Yeah! A blast, guys. Oh, just go an extra half mile and it will reward you. I'm so glad I did this. All right. Wow. Such a fun day at Switzer Falls. I never had any idea that this was back here, and this was the first fall I showed you. Unbelievable. Thanks for joining me, guys. That was a rush. Thanks so much for joining HikeBytes as we explored the upper and lower falls at Switzer at its best. Come out soon. The water is flowing, the pools are emerald green, and there's magic here in these canyons. Until next time, explore nature with us at HikeBytes, one bite at a time. See you on the next one.